this broom, I think we can all agree, is broken. I think I need to get a new one. However, the handle is still good, so I'm going to use that and this wire coat hanger. There's a wire coat hanger. I'm going to use both of those to make a wire weeder for my garden. And there it is. My major problem in my garden is with nutsedge, and I don't think this is going to help me out very much with that because it has so many rhizomes, but the little seedlings, little grass seedlings and other things that are coming up, I think it'll help me with that. It's also a lot smaller than my current, this kind of thing. That kind of weed right there. The small ones. It's also a lot smaller and more delicate than my current weeder, so hopefully it won't tear up the roots of my plants. If you want to see a better video on wire weeders, and I'm sure there are many, the one that inspired me to build this was done by Neversink Farm, and I'll put a link to that. Video below. The only problem with their wire weeders are far better than this, of course, but my problem with them is they're outside of my budget. So please check that out as well, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.